Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. The first one is the Korean word for market, and that is 시장. 시장. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for animal, and that is 동물. 동물. Now, let's see the Korean word for job, and that is 직업. 직업. Okay, next comes the Korean word for music, and that is 음악. 음악. Okay? Next, let's see the Korean word for story, and that is 이야기. 이야기. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for pencil, and that is 연필. 연필. Now, let's see the Korean word for skirt, and that is 치마. 치마. Next comes the Korean word for writer, and that is 작가. 작가. Next comes the Korean word for soldier, and that is 군인. 군인. Okay? Now let's see the Korean word for rabbit, and that is 토끼. 토끼. Alright, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.